Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own background at home. Perhaps you don't have a place you shoot your video and it's worrying you. This is the best video for you to watch and create your own fake background at home. Nobody's going to know unless you tell them this background you are seeing here is actually fake. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is open your Google Chrome.
You type in Leonardo AI.
Then you scroll down to see the second one, which is the Leonardo AI. You click on that and it's going to open. You then create an account. If you don't have an account, please do create one. When you open it, it's going to load depending on your network. Then they write get started here. So you're going to see image generation. You then click on the image generation and you're going to see that they give you 150 tokens to use, and each generation is about 20 tokens. So you're going to see a prompt. Type in your prompt. You're going to type in your description, whatever you want to generate. So I'm generating a room with a white couch, a modern lamp on a mini table, a plant at the side of the couch, a picture frame on the wall. So when you're done typing whatever you want to type in the box, you go ahead and you're going to scroll down to see generate the image, and it's going to take 20 tokens from you. So the generate is going to take 20 tokens out of the 150. You scroll down and you're going to see that the images are loading. It takes a while. It took me a while since my network was a bit slow. So that's how it generated. These are the pictures. So if you don't want these pictures, you can regenerate new ones. So I go ahead to download it into my file. Then I went ahead into my files to save my pictures, background pictures I'll be using. Then I open the second app, which is CapCut. I go to my photos, select the image I'm going to use for my project. I make sure I adjust the image to where my video is going to end before you can add your overlay. So you go ahead to overlay, you click on that, then you add overlay, go to your photos or your videos. So this is the video I'll be using for my project. I bring in that, and you also adjust the video to the end of where the background image gets to. So the next thing you do is search for remove background. You click on that and it's going to auto remover. You click on auto remover. It's going to take a while, then the background is completely removed. You then adjust or position your video to where you want it to be. So this is how the video looks like, the position in which I adjusted my video to. So you can play around with it to see where you want to adjust your video, if it's at the right side, the left side, or the middle. So the next thing we are going to do is that we check this is perfect for me and I love the position. So the next thing is you tap on effect, then video effect, then it's going to open up. You scroll down to look for blur, then you click on blur to adjust your background for you. So you can play around with it however you want to. So I'm going in with 9 or 10. So 10 is perfect for me. Then you click on the OK. Then it's going to put some effect on your background. The next thing, you can go in with photo effect. We have autofill 1, autofill 2. So with the autofill 1, this is how it's going to look. Your video is going to look. It actually takes your background a little bit far from you. So this is exactly how autofill 1 looks like. Let's look at autofill 2. So autofill 2 actually takes your video or background like far away from you. So anyhow you want to, if you want autofill 1 or autofill 2, but I want my normal background. So this is exactly how the normal background looks. So you go ahead to save your project and voila, you are done. So basically, this is how you change your background from this to this to this to this. As many as you want, you can change your video. Don't let your background limit you from making your viral video on YouTube. So this is the easiest and fastest way to make your fake background at home. Do it yourself. It doesn't cost a dime. It's absolutely free of charge. So if you have watched the video to this point, make sure you like and follow and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.